Well, the doctors' strike is officially off. There was a bit of contention on which document should be signed first and why. That is exactly why I'm here to show you what the return to work formula has in store, and it's coming up on your screen in just a bit. First off, there are about 11 key factors that are there, and among the first one is that there will be no victimization, and the victimization whatsoever by or any from any party in the deal, and the employer shall forthwith and unconditionally stop all disciplinary processes and unconditionally withdraw all show cause letters, dismissal letters, or any other written or verbal threats, including arbitrary transfers and discriminatory assignment of duties by the employer to KMPDU officials. There's more to that. As part of the return to work formula now, the parties shall conclude and register the CBA within 60 days from date of the agreement in accordance with the Labour Relations Act and judgment of the Employment and Labour Relations as well. The emergency call allowance has been renamed to doctor's allowance, and it's payable to all medical practitioners, pharmacists, and dentists. Let's talk about the pay packages that's coming up on your screen as well. All medical practitioners will receive, with effect from 1st of January 2017, additional doctor's allowance as follows. All medical, dental, pharmacist, officer, interns to receive an additional 36,000 per month. The total, therefore, will be 66,000 because they used to receive a further 30,000 earlier on for each doctor. The perks get even better for medical practitioners in job group M, N, and P. They will receive an additional 42,000 per month, accumulating to about 72,000 shillings for all in job group Q and above. They will receive 50,000 per month, accumulating to 80,000 shillings. And all doctors will also receive a new risk allowance of 20,000 shillings effective from 1st of January. Now, that deal further stipulates that all doctors will be placed in the appropriate job groups by implementing all the pending promotions within 6 to 12 months. The parties have also agreed to withdraw all court cases with cause to petitioner, and any further engagement will be done in good faith.